YouTube? It's your girl Miesha, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm in a different scenery. I'm taking a spin on things and doing a different type of video today. All over social media, everybody has been raving over these bird slippers, and today I'm gonna try to make some. If you are new to my channel, hey boo, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, what's good, what's poppin', sis? I'm not gonna hold y'all up any longer because I do want to see how these gonna turn out. If you are interested in seeing how I create bird slippers, go ahead and keep on watching. So for this project, I don't think that it requires a lot of different items. This is my first time ever doing this. So I just went to Walmart and I picked up these stuffed bears. And these were the ones that I liked these. And I just thought they were very cute. So these are the ones I chose. Now these slippers that I have right here, they already came from Walmart, but I already had these. These are old, they're a little dirty, they're worn out. But these are just some regular slippers and they have elephant on the top of them. So I'm going to use these as well. Cost effective because I already had them. I also have some needle and thread and some scissors because I am going to be sewing my slippers. I don't want them to come apart, so I'm not going to use glue. I'm going to insert a picture so that y'all can see what I'm referencing and how I'm kind of going to make them. All of the pictures that I've seen looks like everyone's foot is like in the inside of the bear's tummy. I'm probably going to cut the top of the slipper off, which is the elephant, because it's probably going to be very unnecessary to just have it on there. I'm not going to talk through this because visually it's going to be self-explanatory. So yeah.